Hey guys, it's your girl Mel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna do a Popin Cookin. So this is the one that we have. We got more, but those will be in a different video, so stay tuned. But today we're going to be making mango pudding, gyoza, spring roll, and some ramen. So yeah. Wanna say hi? Okay, so what you'll need, well, the instructions are in English, but like in some of them they're like in Japanese, so I'm pretty sure this will be easy. But we just have a cup of water, and we also have some scissors to cut up the tray, and we're gonna try to do our best to make this look like this.
Okay, bet.
Yeah.
Bet.
Okay.
Let's start.
So we're gonna start opening it.
I'll open it.
And make sure when you're cutting this open, you don't like rip it, because this is going to be our little placemat at the end. So as he's opening that, I'm just going to show you the box real quick. So here are just the instructions, and this is what we have to cut out, and yeah, basically it, to be honest.
You ready?
And the nutrition pack.
Yeah, I'll show them what's inside.
Bam! This is what you get when you open it. So we have a blue packet, which is the dough powder. We have the noodle powder, which is a yellow packet. Ooh, no. We have the soup powder, I guess for the ramen, in a brown packet.
What is this?
That's so we can put, you get a little bag, so you can, after you put your dough for your ramen noodles, you can like,
oh, that's for the, okay.
Yeah, it's kind of like a pastry thing. We have ingredients. I'm guessing these are sprinkles.
I'll start cutting these up.
We have mango pudding powder in like a orangey red packet. It comes with a small fork. And then this is what your tray looks like. So I'm assuming this is where you put your little mango. Oh, and it comes with a toothpick.
Wait, B, do I have to cut out the chopstick too? Or?
No.
So just this
And
placement.
then yeah, so this is what it looks like. So basically we have to just cut how it says up here. Like so. So we'll do that. And don't mind my nails. Wait!
Don't need that.
You sure?
Yeah, I like the one in the other one.
But we need this.
Okay, we need that.
But then you already cut it. See, this is what you're not supposed to do, by the way. But that's fine.
What is that supposed to be for?
I think that's supposed to be a plate.
For the jelly?
For the jelly?
No, it's right here.
Okay, then what is this?
It's right here.
Oh, I think this is the template to make this. See, this is why. Make sure you don't do this, but it's fine. We'll make it work.
It is. Make a spring roll.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll make it work. So I'll just leave this in the corner.
Okay, you can start the mixture. There's another scissor, baby.
Wait, I don't know what to do first. So the first step, we're gonna make some mango pudding. Why is that the first step?
I guess because it's take longer to thing.
But where's the water cup?
Right here. Oh no, that's the.
Oh no, you're right.
Is it? No.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be.
No, but look.
That's for the. Is there a soda?
No, it's the pink pudding.
Oh. I don't know.
So add water to the cup until it is half full. Add powder from the orange packet mix. It will become firm in 10 minutes. So
that's
we're just
why
gonna
it's the
put
first one, because it takes 10 minutes.
So I just got the water in here. Then I'm just going to take the mango pudding powder. that's what we have so far. Our little mango, I guess. I'll set this aside. Where do I... It actually smells really good. I may fast forward some parts like this one just because it's very time consuming. So the next step is number 2. It is pour water up to the line in the star tray, add powder from the blue packet, mix until thick, tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill in the Naruto/egg molds and remove. You take this one with the star and you see this line right here. We just have to fill that part up with water and then put the blue packet and stir. So
where's my mixer spatula?
There. So this is our noodle, I think, make ramen topping noodle thing.
This is a lot.
No, it's right.
I think you didn't add enough water.
No, I did. It's supposed to look like that. Oh.
Well, this is such a... Oh. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be like this.
Let me see it.
Can I use my finger?
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna set this aside. So that's our little mold. Now you take
press
this...
it down even more, babe.
Okay, I'll do it. Do the next step.
Cut them in 4 pieces. Right?
So now, okay, you do it. Divide remaining dough in quarter. Spread one dough evenly to match shape of size of the packing guide. Okay, we'll do this one because someone cut it up. Cut this into 4. Oh my god, 4 pieces. I said. Why you not cutting it in 4 pieces?
And then roll them up.
Okay, yeah. Go.
I'm confused. Let me
Press
see
it in, all of it.
Let me see though.
You don't trust me? You don't trust me?
I don't know what to do.
Press it in so it's the entire circle.
Just press it in?
Yes.
From the middle?
Yes.
From
the
one?
entire thing. The entire thing.
It's not gonna fit, babe.
See, this is why we need the mold, but you cut it up. We need that mold.
That was... Why are we using this? There's holes.
Because this is supposed to be the one with the sizes. Oh my god.
We'll use that.
No, it needs to be this.
It's literally the same size.
It's not. Oh my gosh. Roll it to this.
Can we use that?
Roll it to this.
Can we use this?
Roll it to this. Just cut this packet, okay?
B, you do it. I'll just cut the packages for you.
Oh my god.
Wait, the pudding. A little bit inside. Oh my god, look at it. It's sprinkles.
A little. When I say a little bit, I meant a little bit. Done?
Just in the middle? I don't know. Is that done? Is that good enough for you?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god. I didn't know that.
That's why I said to put it all around.
Show it.
Oh, sorry. My I don't know if this is gonna turn out well, guys. Wow.
It did, ish.
Ang galing naman. There's our gyoza. Now do it again. I'm gonna make some ramen. Pour water up to the line in the tray with the music note. And there's a line that you need to pour it on. Oh, I spilled. Do you see that? I spilled everything.
I said you're gonna make fun of me.
Move your head.
I'm sorry.
And then add powder from the brown packet. This is the brown
Thanks.
packet.
There was water on it. Can I mix it then? That's my job, mixing it.
Okay. Mix it. So we're gonna pour it. We're gonna use the same tray as we did with the blue packet, and we're just gonna pour some in to the line. Like so. And then pierce the corner of the squeezing bag. Wait. Add the yellow packets. We're just going to add this. You're going to grab, once this is all mixed, we're going to grab our little Popin Cookin piping bag and the, what do you call this? Toothpick. And then you're going to take out the the wrapping thing from the toothpick, like so. Grab your bag, put it inside, and you're just going to
it's so
pierce
thick now, dear.
The corner of it, like so. And once you're done piercing that,
okay, I think it's all good now, baby.
we're just going to fold it down. And then we're just going to put all that in here. Okay, so once you have all of your dough, you're just going to roll it back down.
Okay, ready? Tastes like plastic.
Good. So there, and then we're just going to go like this, push everything to the corner where you pierced it. We're just going to squeeze that, and then you can do it.
Really?
Squeeze it. Oh, fuck. This is supposed to somehow go in here. gonna pretend it looks like that, okay?
Wait. We need to add this. We need some seasoning, you know, salt and pepper.
Wait. Oh, no, it's upside down. Wait.
Salt and pepper.
Or our noodles don't look that bad. Give me it.
No, let me do it. Let me put the egg.
Okay, we're done. Move all this shit aside. That's our little Popin cooking, guys. I'm just gonna move everything.
Wait. More seasoning.
That's our Popin cooking. We have your gyozas. We have your spring rolls. The Christmas ramen noodles with egg and Naruto.
Wait.
Mango pudding.
We have to show them.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll show you. And like this is how it's supposed to look. So, wait, move your hand.
Oh wait, I fucked it up already.
I know you did, and I didn't take a thumbnail. Stop playing with it.
No, I'm just trying to make it more presentable.
Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. This is what we got.
No, wait, I'll make this one work.
Okay, so he's gonna try it. These are the ramen noodles.
I don't want to try it.
Come on, we made it.
It smells like soda.
Okay, eat it. It's candy. That actually looks real though. I told you.
Hey, hello. Goodbye. Goodbye.